The ideas of new products come from our customers, and our team listens to our customers and are able to take those ideas and help them solve business problems by creating new solutions to them.
So it's a complete reversal of roles. It's not us building something and then going and selling it. It's us actually engaging customers and saying, what would add value for you for the next 3, 5, 10 years? And let's partner to go build that together.
In the last 10 years, people have really started to realize that improving the user experience is really important. And maybe that's even in the last 5 years, operators have started to figure that out.
In the last 2 years, we've really made a big investment in user experience. And that includes having a full-time user experience designer and team. But we went from, I think, 10 years ago, we had engineers that were designing our products. As you can tell in the user interface of our kiosk, maybe an engineer built that. But now we're looking at really thinking about the end-to-end experience. It's not just about the screens and that user interface, but it's about the overall experience of our products. So, for example, with Insomniac V2, when they plug in a kiosk, we want that to be a great experience as soon as they plug in the product, and it takes them through the onboarding and the setup. That user experience is something that our designer will sit down and actually, when we come down to screens, she'll actually sometimes we'll do multiple designs and actually, do some usability testing and get feedback from our users and, get that feedback and move that into our products.
But moving forward with some of our new tools, there will be a lot more customer outreach. So part of what I want to do is really get out there and call customers, meet customers.
So we'll continue to receive feedback about this process, continue to see how we can make it better for our users, and that's just one of our goals here, is to never stop improving.
I do believe that we should engage our clients, and that means calling them and emailing them and meeting them at trade shows. I came into an environment where they were mostly waiting for people to engage us, right? An account management type of role. Very comfortable, but it's very uncomfortable to ask them to pick up the phone and call somebody blindly. So don't make it blind. Engage with them on social and send them articles. Say, hey, I thought this might be valuable. And then when you call to have a conversation with them about their technology, maybe there's more of a rapport that's built. It does not have to be a cold calling, typical call center environment.
We started with self-service kiosks to help rent units and take payments at self-storage facilities when they didn't have staff there. Then we moved into having a call center, because we've learned that when people put a kiosk there and then they didn't have staff, they still needed somebody to answer the phone. So we quickly realized that helping provide call center services to the facility is important. And we teamed that with a kiosk, so that now when someone comes to a self-service kiosk, they actually can speak to a live person who can have two-way video with them. They can see each other, as well as the person there and can control the kiosk and walk someone through the rental process, providing the same kind of sales acumen a manager would if a manager was available.
So really it comes down to simplifying solutions for our operators and understanding what they need. So as we look to really understand our operators, it's about simplifying their operations and also really looking to innovate the tenant experience.
People might say, well, what's friction? Well, it's easy, right? So if you're a customer, long-term customer of a company, and they've got your address, they've got your name, they know what you've bought over the years, yet every time you call them, they keep asking your name, they keep asking what you want, they keep asking what you buy. That's frustrating, right? Well, if you kind of take that and transpose that with a company that's doing it well, guess what? They greet you and they say, hey, Dan, how are you doing today? We see that you just ordered 11 widgets. You have a question about the widgets that you just bought, or is there something else we can help you with? It feels much more personalized, and at that point the customers now become more loyal, the Net Promoter Score increases, and you've got a customer for life.
There's just so many different things that we're working on, and that's where I see really the space just getting smarter and us being able to make that a better customer experience.
It's been really exciting to see the development side of it grow and then be able to follow in those footsteps. It's a lot easier to provide good service when you have a good product to stand behind.